welcome back. Paddy still be the name of the show, and Kata want to kill me.
Sorry.
Yes, I just said to let you know because my voice is never come and be clear again.
No, but you go try your best. You understand? You go do
No, I'm
everything
trying.
possible.
Don't be say my voice no clear. It clear.
But you think the
But the thing they thick. Is a thick.
Don't worry. You know get bass voice.
And I'm sneezing a lot.
You know what you go do?
I'm doing.
Find like vitamin
Achoo.
C. Vitamin C. This period now vitamin C, fruits, all those things. And most importantly, for those of like people like Maya, where vegetable soup, no they work for, no they eat them.
What do you
now,
mean?
wait.
See.
Now she don't see toilets this morning.
No, more dissect this matter.
I dissect it.
I'll tell you what.
Dissect it.
I tell her, say, I dey purge. Like, I run to the bathroom every second.
Yeah.
He asked me, why? I said to him, because I chop something.
Yes.
Now, here's the thing. I'm going to be if you come from the Cross River part of Nigeria.
Hello.
Or the Cross River Calabar people part of Nigeria.
Hello.
There's this sweet soup they call afang and edikaiko.
Anyame.
Now, here's the thing. Edikaiko and afang, it makes me run to the loo every second. But I like it because it's sweet.
So
I can't tell him. Say, see what they cost him. I know. He say, make I stop the chop him. I say, but it's sweet. So what am I going to do? It's I cannot help it.
Okay. Now, this is what they say, you don't involve yourself for the mission of Kuku entering the toilet.
I think that after some time, my body system will be used to it.
You don't go as just, you don't go use anything. You will not be used to nothing for you. The thing with this, my advice to you. You like the soup.
I love it.
I love the soup.
I love it.
So just bear the consequence
Especially
of the love.
Edikaiko.
Bear the consequence of the love. You understand? Just take it like that. You the job the one they put in fee.
I love it.
Oh, periwinkle.
I love it. It is sweet. But every time I eat it, 2 hours later.
But anyway, no worry. And you say if you too much going to the toilet, you go dey reduce for weight. Because you go dey discharge things. You go dey reduce for weight. And there is too much liquid leaving your body. So you have to put it.
You have to.
Yes. Go chop raw garri. Or chop raw bread.
You don't stop. Not be saying that plenty like that, but I know. Say once I chop them, in the space of 3 hours, I figure like 4 times. Sharp, just and then you go off. I know.
Me na egusi they do me that one. Egusi. But me too, I love it. Say
At all. Go on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Tell us the food where they do you strong thing, but you love it.
Yes.
Tell us the food where they do you strong thing, but you love it.
The food, you cannot do without that food. But you know.
But you know that they affect your.
Some people they where they chop some kind of food.
Yes.
Their eye just swell like this.
For example, now my own sister, if she know they chop porridge, chai, she fit get blister for mouth. But she like am. So she go just find one weekend where she know they come out.
Yes.
Chop porridge.
Blister come. I blister myself. Some people they get diabetes. But they like sugar things. You understand? So what is it for you? Let us not talk Twix stuff.
But just don't do it to the point that it will affect your health, all right?
Anyway,
and forgive me, I'm going to be using this a lot because
why you form your corporate like you want to like say no the kata they do. Na kata it is.
Here's the thing.
Na kata you the kata.
Here's the thing, Ogbolo.
Yeah.
When the thing have deal with you very well, you have to be poised and posh about it.
Sorry.
Because this is not professional. I mean, this is it's really not professional.
Don't worry.
You have to be poised about it. So I'm going to be using this a lot, and I'm going to be sniffing and throwing out some. That you go suffer and pass.
No, do that.
I'm sorry if I disgust you, but what can I do? I'm categorized.
All right, she's categorized, ladies and gentlemen. They go for the yarn right about now, cause she's categorized. Will you come back? Just because you're categorized.
Yeah.
Let me just do more of the talk, all right? Are you okay with that?
Yes, my darling. That's just fine. Thank you so much for looking out for me. You were such a gentleman.
Thank you. Oh, don't mention. Come on.
Thank you. So talking about gentlemen, no?
Yes. Talking about gentlemen.
Yeah.
Our first story this morning. You see, oftentimes they tell ladies most times, yeah, that's why I like me girls be independent. You understand? Ladies, make I not use girls. Ladies, they independent. And no, they independent to the point where you can't do anyhow, shall you understand? But they independent. They make your own money. They hustle your own hustle as a person. So no man go take you to take style. Now for this gist, 29 years old Nina Zwagzozlozea from Russia.
Wow.
Now I be the girl name. Make I leave her for Nina. Now Nina, 29 years old. Nina come and meet this fine boy. She's charming director of a law firm. Come meet the guy. Oh, so when they meet the guy, they just going to do friend. There
was a
all
sparkle.
Of a sudden, yeah, there was a sparkle. There's a connection somewhere.
You know, when cartoon does like this.
There was chemistry. You get that? No, when the guy all show up, the guy did single her feet. You understand? Just make her say, wow.
Continue story.
I enter the mood.
To like play, you single her feet.
So, but last, the guy gonna say, okay, baby, after I don't spoil the girl with some kind of movement, no, go canteen, go chop, restaurant.
He swept her off her feet.
Oh, he swept her off her feet. Finally, the guy gonna say, okay, maybe they all go, somewhere outside the country, just go chill. For the girl mind, the guy won't propose. You understand? You know, ladies, I don't just know. Fairy tale, you just fool this place for women.
I'm sorry, but some situations suggestive.
Suggestive waiting.
Some situations suggest that maybe he wants to pop.
Why maybe just want to come out with person? Anyway, because some of them are the rush anyhow. Maybe he wants to propose. Last, they can't go travel outside country. So somehow, days come they pass for the hotel they did. She can say, if I say this guy no one proposal. So out of annoyance, she just go talk one thing. Now the guy vex. As the guy let me the doctor. What do you want to do? And the guy can't go the door. Open the door. Oh yeah. They go back to the country where we come from.
What?
He pursued the girl from the hotel. Pack her cloth, give her. The girl has to call her parents. Her parents can't send her money before she can't fit come back house. Not be there begin end though. As the guy all vex finish. When the guy come back to the country, he come meet block the girl. Come tell him say, oh yeah, see list of all the things the way I don't spend for your head.
The guy keep the receipt.
He keep the receipt of everything.
And you see the restaurant,
say,
flowers,
every. Even the travel. The guy said because to him, they don't date. Because then they know the shop things, they know they even hold hand, no PDA.
So the guy turned out to working relationship.
The guy said it was a working relationship.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, for the guy head, we did date.
But it's funny because the guy said they don't get any pictures.
They don't get anything to
It's funny how you can.
Yeah. So the guy not gonna talk say now working relationship.
So they sue her now.
Say they sue her. Carry her go court now. Say baby, you must pay me back all the money I don't spend for your head. So they come down and say George comes and say I better come and get out of this place. But say what they worry you. The guy dismissed the case.
No case.
But the guy can't appeal again for the whole thing. He say so now every girl in meeting go spend money for your head. But for me now, it be man, as man where I be. The girl they send you message. Now you want to do now. Or maybe you go bring out form, say, okay, in case this thing work, see as it will be. If you not work, you pay the money back. So the girl say go adjust before the whole thing starts.
Now marriage, I know say they sign prenuptial for. Whether they do prenuptial agreement for relationship.
Maybe this man will start his own like that. Because as he be say, the guy is shocked. The guy say, and secondly, I don't talk for man. Make I even talk for woman side. Some girls, if you have a day with guy, like our pastor talk on Sunday. Some men don't know say they're in relationship.
They don't know. They're not aware.
They're not aware. Meanwhile, the girl don't date them. But the girl never dates the girls. So they ask both babes once. Are you in that relationship alone? Are you the one dating the guy alone? Or two of them are the relationship?
Like something when they always see. If we're in a relationship together and I'm not aware, please tell me so I can participate.
Yes. Finish. So that I can what? Participate. Because some girls they follow guy, they do yeah. Maybe don't even. But for the guy, we do the wrong show. Okay. But for you, for the guy head, you say, wow, my man.
Oh my God, my man. Call me. You
are not any man.
Call me. It's not your call.
It's not your call anything. It's not your man anywhere. Just join the line. Hello. So be sure what you are doing. Now be this woman case now.
That is what happened. Because in her mind, oh my God, my boyfriend just did this to me. And in his own mind, oh, my colleague did this to me.
Yeah. So please know what you are doing.
So Jeff, Father, let's know who his colleague. Let's know who. Okay. The next part of the I don't want to know what you talk. I don't want to know because they are talking something in our ear now. If you talk too much, I repeat it. They feel don't hear that the first time. Don't make me repeat that. Keep quiet there now.
I will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than That's all. Bless you. Bless you.
You were supposed to hit my back.
Bless you. Did they beat Pikin for back when they did that thing? No, then they beat Pikin.
Like that, now you go to the back.
Bless you.
Yeah. Okay. So the next gist what I get for you now, this one, has consigned this one that concerned a woman. I'm very happy because this gist is a happiness gist.
It's a praise the Lord moment.
Yes, it's a gist that make me to be happy from the inside of my heart. It reach my navel, it come up to my chest region, enter my throat, come out through my esophagus, reach the lips of my mouth, and then when my mouth is open, agape.
Yeah.
It come out and say,
You come and breathe it out.
Yes, I breathe. It's a very moment because this particular woman, her name is Mabel Matty. Excuse me, Mabel Matty. She done they wait upon the Lord.
Wow.
She done they wait, they look God eye. She done they pray, they do many things. I'm sure she's been to a lot of medical centers. She's been to a lot of prayer houses. Whatever, she's been through a lot to get Pikin. For the past 5 years and a few months, she don't marry, no child. The time where she go get belly like this. Ask me what happened.
What happened?
What happened now? She have a triplet straight.
Oh! Tiri!
Yes. So she waited 5 years and a couple of months to get pregnant, and eventually when she get belly, she born out. You understand? The guy looking like this.
He pot and gone.
No, make I give you this gist. Baby, set this in. Okay. No, shift her to the right small. She can't shift her small. Shift her to the left small. Okay, like that, it's okay. Okay, now just raise up a little bit.
Yeah.
The guy just fire.
Pow!
That power enter at once. All the three just gather.
Yeah,
they just come out.
There's a copulation.
Yeah. That is it. You see, as the guy look at you don't see the guy face.
I don't know that guy face. That smile right there in face just
you
now.
See his smile. It was a smile of I am a sharp shooter. What I say. And then she was like, oh, come on, I position well. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
But that guy right there, yeah. I'm the man.
It's a thing of joy. It's something. It always this kind of gist always gets to me. It makes me feel so. Wow.
We'll go for this. We'll watch this funny video. Then we'll come back. We'll talk one last one. We did in a sad way. Okay. Sorry. Video, please.
Video, quickly.
You know, come out. Break now.
Can you go? I'll go.
No, they do it for public.
Microphone there.
So, boy, how far now? How work?
We don't come back with that.
We don't come back now. Wait, one day go before. I've had this kind of moments before.
Oh, yeah?
Personally.
With who?
You know, with guys and when they serve food for events. Once a server.
Always a server.
Myself. No. In the word you say. Don't share.
So guess which first moments I had today at work?
Which moment?
Early to this morning for radio.
Forget the name.
Usofia.
Usofia?
Yes.
What's it called?
Usofia now. Usofia in London. The Usofia man himself. Yes.
What's it doing?
I had an interview with him this morning. Yes. It was quite a celebrity moment. Yeah. And you know the funny thing, say a lot of people don't know. Say that man, what's it be full name again? No.
Nkimawo.
Thank you, Nkimawo. A lot of people don't know. Say that man, he writes that NTA program Masquerade. Now he writes Tales by Moonlight. Now they always write Tales by Moonlight. Yes. Yes, now he writes them. A lot of people don't know. He used to be a writer even before he became an actor.
Wow. I would like to get him. We could just
He's gettable. But he's hardly ever around. Most times they always now because of this their new film Ghana Must Go when they do with waiting be a name. Yes. Now because of himself now he make us take grabber.
Okay.
So I had my moment. I was like, I was like,
Okay. Anyway, where are we?
Now according to Miss Ginika Okolo, these beautiful young ladies, they say they beach side for Elegushi Beach for inside the city of Lagos. for Lekki Expressway, for those of you who are familiar with the place. And the families of, Fobi and Shola, 27-year-old and 24-year-old respectively, MSc students of International Law and Diplomacy for Unilag, they say water carry them go. Heavy tides, currents of Elegushi carry them go. And then one of their friends, when they mourn them, will come talk, say, in day there, say lifeguard, no day, emergency rescue team, no day. Nothing did that side. So it carried them go.
Upon say they're tossing a private beach, but nobody did to save the girls.
Nobody did to save the girls.
And now one keep ahead. Now very sad case. Very I believe sad. Say.
Now they like be that.
Yes, I believe. I don't play the beach before that year where Bar Beach did.
Yeah.
You know, and Lekki Beach did. You know, they make sense. Where person nearly drowned, and some kind of guys jump enter from. You know, they still go save the person come out. But this one is very very sad. Say person they drown for beach and no one lifeguard not day.
No day.
One person at least not even day to say, okay, make a jump go save person inside water. It's very sad.
It's very sad. And I go talk this thing. I always talk up. For any time when we go beach, myself, friends, anybody when I know, I always talk up every time. If you not people say if you not swim, see the beautiful ladies, beautiful lives ahead of them, where the thing just cut short their life just like that. The thing be say, don't people say if you even if you feel swim, if you know say you know feel withstand strong tide, you know say if they talk say make they swim long distance now, you know go fit, you know say you're swimming now like this, or you know feel swim, don't go too close to the water.
Finish.
Even anywhere where you there, you still see the water. You are still in the beach side. Don't worry yourself.
Yes.
Don't go too close.
You just talk of just now when they talk say some girls that will go for party for Lekki
yes,
phase
the same thing with some Unilag girls when they go party for inside phase 1. About 25 of them or 26 of them. Only 5 of them return. The remaining of them are practically dead.
They don't kill the remaining. So I beg. And if you notice now, why guys don't they die for this kind of waka? Ladies, please hold yourself very well. Not just they carry the way with different things.
Not all that glitters is gold. Be careful.
All right. So right now, we'll go for the laugh, even as we don't give a brain and sense for the whole gist we'll carry come this morning. All right. So laugh the laugh right about now.
That was so cute. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us on top Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. If you find our individual handles, now at Mayowa Ekpo on top Instagram, at Ogbolo on Instagram, at Mayowa Lambe and Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter, youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Look for Paddy. Same thing for facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG.
All right, guys, like we talked just now, please make sure you take care of yourself. And I beg. What you know say you know sabi do, or where you know say you know go fit withstand some kind of things, not go near them.
Oh yes, and
be your own police for your own self.
And as you did school, stay in school.
I beg, you not go to follow. Not all that glitters is
a good day.
Please. See you now tomorrow. God bless.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.